Friends, here I am giving a simple practice for you. So that is, you have to write a simple Python script or program such that it has to read two inputs. Let's say myStr and substring. So after that, you have to implement a logic inside of your script such that it has to count how many number of times your substring is there in a given string. And then finally, it has to display the output in this way. See, I already implemented the logic for this requirement. Let me run the script which I implemented for this requirement. See, suppose I am giving my string as, let's say, Python scripting for automation and REST APIs development. After that, I am giving substring as O. Now see the result. The substring O consists of 5 times in this string. Not only for that, it has to work for any string and substring. Let's say I'm giving randomly some string. See that? A consists of 3 times in a given string. Okay, you just try yourself and then look into the script which I shared so that you will get some idea how to implement basic scripts using Python. Okay, thank you for watching this video.